Hello, I'm Julie Kornfield, Professor of Chemical Engineering at Caltech, and on behalf of my research team, I'm here to tell you about what's special about the molecules we're reporting in the October 2nd issue of Science. The molecules have a long, flexible chain, and at the end groups, we put chemical units that are able to stick together. And the molecules we're the most excited about have end groups that act like Velcro. So you're familiar with Velcro, where you have a hook side and a soft loopy side. And when you put the two together, they stick. But the loops won't stick to the loops, and the hooks won't stick to the hooks. Only when the two complementary sides come into contact do they form a bond. Okay? So on the end of our molecules, we do the same thing. We put groups on both ends of one type of molecule that are like the hooks. They won't stick to their own ends. And we have another type of molecules. The middles are just the same, but the end groups on this molecule are like the loops. They won't stick to themselves. But when they find each other, they stick. And in this way, they can form very long molecules. Molecules that are assembled from many individual molecules. So they're supramolecules. But supramolecules of this size have never been reported before. And they do special things. They'll act like molecules that are this long in terms of useful properties, like controlling mist after an impact, or controlling the drag, reducing the drag, the energy required to pump fuel through pipelines. And when the molecule finds itself in a really intense flow that places a lot of tension on the molecule, these links can break. And they protect the covalent backbone, the chain. So when the molecules move through pumps and filters and long pipelines, they survive. And it's completely reversible. When they find themselves in a quiet part of the flow again, they reassemble and they're ready to do their job in reducing drag or controlling mist. And that's what's special about the molecules that we report in the October 2nd issue of Science. Thank you for listening.